As a Christian entrepreneur, are you having a struggle with your spiritual growth? Watch this. Here's why spiritual growth and faith is such a challenge. See, a lot of times you have this desire to get closer to God, whether it be through prayer, reading His Word and everything like that, and wanting to do His will, right? So now you set on this path that you want to grow spiritually in God and you start to do some stuff. But before I go there, let me talk about this. See, the devil puts things on the heart of his own people, right? And so a lot of times when the devil puts things on the hearts of his people, you would normally see it usually happens at a fast pace. Now comes the interesting part. God puts something in your heart to do. You do it. You need faith. You need patience. They tell you, wait on the Lord. And then you be like, where is God? Has this ever happened to you? And on top of that, you see people who even ain't checking for God prospering and be like, God, what happened? And you start thinking about, I thought God don't sleep. See, God didn't promise that this thing was going to be easy. That's a part of your spiritual growth. Faith, patience, learning to trust God, learning to wait on God, developing your character, your integrity, waiting until God actually releases what He needs to release to you. But here's the other side. God wants to show other people you ain't going to turn your back on Him while you're waiting on Him. So hang in there and let me know which part of this video helped you the most. If you're a Christian entrepreneur or business owner that really needs help with your spiritual growth this year, just type help in the comments. If you're ready to work with me, let's go.